Welcome to aminacademy.com. In multivariable calculus, let us discuss about change of order of integration in double integration. Look at this. When all the limits are constant, we can change the order of integration as we like. Means inner integral as well as outer integral have the constant as the limits, then we can change. That means the limits of x to be retained for x and those of y used for y only. But when the limits are variable, the change in the order of integration changes the limit of integration. This concept we can understand by using one example problem. Look at this example problem. Change the order of integration and evaluate integral 0 to 1 to integral 0 to x dy dx. Here inner integral is with respect to y and outer is with respect to x. So the limit of the region bounded by y equals 0 and y equal x and x equal 1 and x equal 0 and x equal to 1. X equal 0 and x equal 1. Now let us draw for the graph. Here this is y equal to x. Now here y equal to 0 is here x-axis and y equal to x is the line. Then x equal to 0, x equal to 0 is here and x equal to, suppose 1 take, this is x equal to 1. This is x equal to 1. Therefore, the region of integration is a triangle OAB. Here this inner integral is with respect to y, so we have to take a strip along y-axis. This strip have the limits x equal to y equal to 0 and y equal to x is here. Now this strip can oscillate along x direction. Then we can write the integral of this is like here, integral 0 to 1 integral 0 to x dy dx, which can be done by changing the order of integration, like if we take for horizontal strip, like for this horizontal strip have the limit is x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. Therefore, it can be written in terms of change of order of integration, like integral 0 to 1 and integral y to 1 is equal to dx dy. Therefore, we can calculate this as integral 0 to 1 of first dx, that is dx dy. Dx have the coefficient is 1, so integration of 1 is x with y to 1 dy, which is equal integral 0 to 1 1 minus y because we are having giving the limits of 1 and y, we use 1 minus y dy. Further, it is equal to y, 1 integration is y integration is y squared by 2, giving the limits of 0 to 1, which gives 1 minus 1 squared by 2. 0 limit not valid here, therefore it gives half. Therefore, the value of integration, even if we change the order, it gives the same value as half. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.